Hey, iPhone enthusiasts! Welcome to Eassiy Official. Locked out of your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy and effective ways to bypass the security lockout on your iPhone. Let's get your iPhone working again quickly. What is security lockout on an iPhone? Security lockout is a feature that activates when multiple incorrect passcode attempts are made, temporarily disabling the device to protect your data. This feature is available on iPhones running iOS 15.2 and later. How to bypass iPhone Unavailable security lock with or without Apple ID. Method 1. Remove security lock with Passixer. If you're locked out of your iPhone, Passixer iPhone Unlocker is a reliable solution. It features screen time passcode removal, Apple ID unlock, MDM bypass, and iCloud activation unlock without risking your system. Its user-friendly interface allows for quick and easy unlocking, even with Find My enabled. To get started, head over to the official Passixer website to download and install the software on your computer. Once the installation is complete, launch the Passixer application. In the main interface, choose the Wipe Passcode option and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions. The Passixer software will automatically recognize your iPhone model and prompt you to download the necessary software for it. Click Start to begin the download process. After the download finishes, take a moment to read the warnings about unlocking your iPhone. When asked, enter 0000 to confirm your choice. Finally, click Unlock to start the unlocking process and patiently wait for it to complete. Method 2. Factory restore iPhone via iTunes. If your computer doesn't detect your device, you can try these steps. For iPhone X or newer, iPhone SE, second generation, or later, iPhone 8 or iPhone 8. Plus, slide to power off your device, then press and hold the side button while connecting your device to your computer. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, hold down the volume down button and link your device to your computer. For the first generation iPhone SE or iPhone 6s or earlier models, press and hold the home button while connecting your device to your computer. Once in recovery mode, use your computer to finish the process by opening Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows. When prompted, click Restore and Update, ensuring that your device remains connected throughout the restoration. After completing the process, if you have a backup, you can restore it. Your iPhone will reboot, and the Hello screen will show up once finished. Method 3. Erase iPhone in iCloud. To erase your iPhone remotely through iCloud, begin by opening a web browser on your computer or another device and go to iCloud.com. Next, sign in using your Apple ID and password. After you log in, you will see a main menu where you can select Find iPhone. Click on Find iPhone, and then choose All Devices at the top of the page. From the device list, select your iPhone. Finally, click on Erase iPhone to start the process of deleting all the data from your device. These methods provide various solutions for regaining access to your device. Method 4. Via Erase option. Suitable for iOS 15.2 and later. Enter an incorrect passcode on the iPhone several times until you encounter the message, iPhone Unavailable Security Lockout. Try again in X minutes. Next, locate and select the Erase iPhone option. Subsequently, a new screen titled Erase All Content and Settings will automatically display. Choose Erase iPhone again, and input your Apple ID password in the provided field to continue. Method 5. Enter Old Passcode, iOS 17 only. If you're on iOS 17 and still recall your old passcode, you can change your iPhone passcode without losing any data. To do this, if you mistakenly enter the wrong passcode 5 times consecutively, a screen like the one below will appear. Simply tap the Forgot Passcode option, then choose Enter Previous Passcode on the following screen. Input your old passcode and wait for your iPhone to verify it. Once it's confirmed, a new screen will show up, enabling you to create a new passcode. Your iPhone passcode will be reset immediately. Just a reminder, this method is only applicable if you can remember your old passcode and you're using iOS 17, not an earlier version. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for the next one, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support is greatly appreciated.